would install the in-context editor. This is a like Vue project, the demo page actually, and right now we don't have anything installed on this one. So what we want to do is we want to take this IE18 next phrase in-context editor post-processor, and it has to be at least 1.4. It will probably be 1.5 for the launch, and we want to install that into the project. So basically what we do yarn add, so the packet manager, and add for installing the packet. Then we do this, and we can see that it will be added here as a dependency for the project. And our basically the main endpoint for the app just creates, it's like a basic view. So we just create the app, then we initialize the N18 next. So inside of this, basically we configure the ICE, and then we like mount the app so it's actually visible on the site. So in the initialize IE18 next, we basically do we import the in-context editor post-processor firstly here, and then we have this instance of the IE18 next. So this can be like a bit different in some different cases and so on. Right now we have this create instance that creates the instance, and then we can use it with the .use to add like a plugin on it. So what we want to do is we want to add this new phrase in context editor post-processor. So basically we use the .use on the instance, and what we define inside of this one, just new post-processor and an object of the options on the ICE. So we want to have phraseEnabled to have the ICE actually working. Then we want to have a project ID, and then we have to also have the account ID for the new ICE. The old ICE didn't need this, but the new one does. And this is something that you don't need also. This should be enough. But for the demo page with the 1.4, we exactly need this option also. But it shouldn't be necessary for the launch on the customer projects. Then we can do yarn and serve. So basically we start the site again, like so. Now we are here, and this is actually some error that we have to still fix. And now you would see the ICE on your site. So you can log in with the demo account in this case, and now it shows that okay, it's not available because we don't have access to the feature on this the account. But actually it can be fixed by refresh right at this moment. So yeah, that's how you would install the ICE. Now you have full functionality of it.